So quick update on some of these plants in my bedroom. So this is our mighty fine pot of B52 Venus flytraps, which as you can see, especially compared to the size of some of these other traps, very, very, very big plants. Lots of red, full-size traps, and you can see that the majority of these are starting to shoot up those spring flowers I was telling you about in that other video. They look amazing. These red dragons are starting to shoot up those upright summer traps. They are also producing flower stalks, but I will probably end up cutting those because these aren't as really big and, full as the B52s yet. But it is still nice to know that they are at a flowering size. So very, very nice. The B52s that we'll be selling later in the year also look pretty nice. There's a gnat actively in that trap. But putting on a lot of nice size and color. All of these sent up flowers, but I ended up cutting them down because I want them to be able to ruin it as much as they can. But they look pretty great. These dentates in the back are starting to shoot up those upright summer traps like the red dragons, getting some nice color and size to them, as you can see there. And I am also looking forward to how these will look in the summer. My little bog of purpurea here. So this one has shot up its second pitcher, as you can see there. This one's first pitcher just opened, and it's shooting up the second one. We have 3 on this one that are already very, very nice sized. That little Drosera looks great. And the flower, I can kind of show you now. I'll be making more updates on as it continues to bloom, but it has begun to open, which is very, very exciting. So these look fantastic, as you can see here. And last but not least, these are those Judith Hindle, which, as you can see, I made a little bit of an update a little bit ago on that. But this middle plant here sent up a very large size pitcher jump right there, which means I'm giving them the adequate care despite it being indoors. Very happy about that. And I hope that some of the other plants, some of the larger of the batch, like this one, will kind of follow and start, sizing up their pitchers for the summer. But very, very pleased with the way it looks. I can't wait. And I'll also be making a lot of update videos on this plant as they, continue to really bunch up.